Hello, everybody. Uh, I have to show you this mess. Over a year ago, I gave you a tour of my absolutely disastrous studio. Um, I worked all year. I had gotten it to where I was down to like one pile actually in the studio, and it absolutely has turned into a bigger, worse mess than I had before. Every surface is piled. I've gotten to the point where, as you can see right there, there's just a path. It's actually making it to where it's hard to work. I don't like this. I just can't seem to get it cleaned up. I do not know what the deal is. I do know that it's affecting the way I look at my art. I do that right there is the one place in the floor that's still clean. Um, I I can't explain it to you. I just don't know why I can't keep it clean. I don't know why I can't do things. I will say that my shoulder surgery has set me back, but that's not all of it. Part of it is I don't like straightening things up, and I have so many ideas in my head that I want to keep making things, and yet can't get it done. Even the laundry room, storage room has gotten worse. It is really down to where this is just a path through here. Um, I can get in there to do laundry, but that's about it. Um, I, I, I've worked in there and I've cleaned in there, reorganized, trying to keep things to where everything that is one thing is together. I keep doing that, and yet I keep making it a mess again. So I don't know, but I thought y'all ought to know that I just can't seem to keep it cleaned up. Um, it's gotten so bad that in a minute you'll see here when I step out of the laundry room and go in the living room. Um, it's actually it's bleeding out into the rest of the house. Now I have other spaces that are filled up with things because I have fabric in a closet, things like that. And we did move a lot of my mother's stuff into my house, and part of this here in the that's my dining room table. We can't even use it. Um, I don't know. I just can't seem to keep it cleaned up. Now along that wall right there, a lot of that is mom's sewing stuff, and I'm gonna have to start getting rid of it. She hasn't sewn in over a year. She doesn't seem to be in need of her things, and I don't think she'll miss things if I start getting rid of them. But for a while, I couldn't do that, and that's just a minuscule amount of her things. So I just wanted you to know that this may be what I'm doing.